Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome back. We have found a little pond here in New Jersey. As we were driving home, we're going to give a couple of casts, see what we can get into. Stay tuned. We're fishing today with our buddy Out and About Outdoors with Ron and friends. I'll put a link to his channel in the description box below. Let's go fishing. Looks like we finally hooked into one. If I can get the hook out of his mouth. I use your nippers. I set the hook in his face.
Oh, you got a bass?
Yeah.
Then wherever you put it in there. And then come back and forth.
Well, nice little bass. We'll get him back. All right, let's get him back. A little largemouth. It's my first New Jersey bass. First New Jersey bass. Second New Jersey bass. Gotcha. I jammed my shoulder for that damn thing. Nice little bass. So we got our second New Jersey bass here. I mean, you know, pound and a half maybe. Been right on about legal. He would measure on the board, but second one I've caught today, he flopped right there and off the line and went to catch him real quick, and I did, but oh, well, I paid a price. Jammed my shoulder up. Oh. But hey, nice little bass. Alright, I'm recording. Other one. That on a drop shot with that Googan Baits Slim Shake. Wasn't actually expecting that to catch anything. Prove me wrong. Third New Jersey bass. Guess I still got this. Somewhat. What a mess. Alright, we take a gander at this now. Three bass.
Huh?
3 bass.
How'd you make out here?
2. One over there.
Here, so, huh?
Huh?
You just stayed here.
Well, I just ended up over here because there ain't nowhere to get to it over there.
I'm gonna go up to my car.
Alright.
Hot. You know?
I'm kind of in a mess here anyway.
Huh?
It's alright, I'm kind of in a mess here anyway.
Yeah.
That last one, he swam around a lot.
Anything nice or just like that first one?
No, the other 2 were bigger. That last one was 2, 2.5.
And a rubber worm?
2 on a Berkley minnow and 1 on this. This is
all I have, so that's stuff. And I got rid of that line I had on there. That other line.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's some garbage. Never buy that again. You know what that was?
Mm-mm.
That's that shit power. What do you think? Trout magnets.
Oh, that SOS line? Yeah, it's got terrible memory.
They're horrible. Never buy that again. State better be out. That's the only thing I got. And even there, I think I just stopped it.
I can catch them off each one of these shady points.
Huh?
I caught one in that shade and one in that shade.
Shade?
Yeah. But I'm using a drop shot so I can get down.
Yeah, I'll just throw it out.
Get down past all the little bait stealers. Alright,
Have fun.
I'll be at it.
Don't make me wait forever.
I'm coming now.
It's hot out here.
Did jam my shoulder up getting that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, he flopped right there and I went to get him real quick and oh fuck. When did I get so old?
Looks like a nice spot to come like an hour or 2 before dark and fish into the dark. Or get here first thing in the morning, fish an hour or 2 first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
But they're probably all laying out there in the middle now.
Definitely a possibility.
Huh?
That's definitely a possibility. Except this one.
That one?
Yep. GoPro, are you recording? He's swimming toward me.
Largy. Cool. I got it over.
Alright. You can repay me the favor today. You went blind for that one, buddy. At least in that eye. Another little largy. Nothing to write home about, but beats catching nothing. Yeah, that's another reason I came over here. I think there's a break right out here, like right past the shade line there.
Yeah. So we're fishing in the creek.
I think so. I mean, I can't tell. It's muddy as hell. But if I'm going by this point here, then yeah.
It looks like it goes.
Mm-hmm. I've had more success just kind of parallel here through the tip of the shade there.
Mm-hmm. Drop off. Follow the drop off. We going. And toss all the way over there where ain't nobody been fishing probably.
Maybe.
I don't know how they would have got out of there.
I don't know if this gets hit all that heavy when it ain't trout fishing. Well, the only two I see fishing here today.
It may not be all that heavy when it is trout fishing.
I mean, I didn't even realize it was a park.
Neither did I, but you know, I've learned that when it says park, pull up in it because it might have a pond.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's got a pond,
Might have fish.
You can fish them. New Jersey's kind of liberal like that. You can fish the pond.
Yeah, because they have very little public water, so.
You got 'em.
Fish on.
Ooh, nice one.
Mm-hmm.
What size is the other one you had? Maybe a little bigger. A little bigger than the last one you had.
4. This is 5, so I'd have a 5 fish limit.
What is it, 15 inches?
I think it's actually 12 in New Jersey.
Yeah. That one looks like he's been hooked a few times. In here, you can't keep any. That's what the sign says.
I wouldn't have kept them
It
anyway.
has a no fish limit.
Another bass.
Yeah.
He took my bait too.
Yeah. He made you lose that worm.
Yep. I got more, but we can end on a high note if you're ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. First one I caught over here was on a Gulp Minnie. What the? Oh, it's a dog.
Huh?
Someone's dog.
Oh, nope, I thought it says no swimming.
All right, folks. Well, unless we hook into something else that's actually worth filming, that's gonna wrap it up. Hey, appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, it really helps us grow. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Oh, I don't know how y'all gonna see me.
Why is it on this side?
Yeah, my lens is all dirty. You know what? Take 2. Yeah, that's better. All right, folks, that's gonna wrap it up today. Hey, if you haven't already, it really helps us grow. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.